Hello guys! My name is Jazz and welcome to my channel. I'm so happy, I'm excited for today's video. It's going to be a little bit different from what I normally do in this channel, but I'm so happy. We are moving to a new house. Me and my family are so happy, excited. But at the same time, you know guys, this process is very stressful. So I was thinking that it can be a really good idea if I share with you guys some tips and hacks, like moving tips and hacks to try to be very organized. Yeah, trying. But I think these hacks are so cool, very useful. So if you're moving or you are planning to move very soon, I hope that this video helps you and that you can get some ideas. And if you have any recommendation, please let me know in the comments. I really need them right now. But yeah, I hope that you like and enjoy this video, and if you do, please a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Guys, remember to follow me on all my social media pages, my webpage, and my other channel, JAZOMY Home. We're going to be uploading hopefully very soon. We are moving, but I'm gonna try my best to upload a new video in that other channel of all of these like process, me and my husband. It's going to be so much fun. So make sure that you are subscribed in that other channel too, so you don't miss that new video. So yeah, let's get started. In this video, I want to share with you 15 Dollar Tree moving hacks to make your move easier. And the first one is super simple. So in your house, you probably have enough of these ceramic plates, and it takes a long time to have to wrap them in paper so they don't break. So the easiest way is to use foam plates and place one in the middle of each ceramic plate, and this will help to prevent them from breaking, and the process will be faster. I really like this idea. You can find these foam plates in Dollar Tree or many other stores, and this is super easy to do. Then you just have to put it inside of the box, and that's gonna be all. I love these cube storage bins that you can find in any store like Walmart, including Dollar Tree, and I use them a lot to organize my kids' toys. And for the move, I don't want to waste using a box if this is already a storage bin, just that it doesn't have a lid. So for that, I'm going to be using this protective wrap that I found in Dollar Tree, and I'm going to line my bins. The good thing about this protective wrap is that it sticks well and you don't have to use any extra tape or nothing. Besides that, it's quite strong and you can stay calm that things will not going to come out of the inside of the storage bins. And with just one of these rolls, I can wrap about 10 of these storage bins, and I know this will save me a lot of money from buying boxes. For the next idea that I want to show you is using these clear storage boxes that I get from Dollar Tree, and I really like them to keep things organized. And guys, when I'm moving, I want to declutter and only take what I need, but in a organized way. So this is perfect for that. First, I'm going to focus on things that I want to put on each of the boxes. You can use your Cricut maybe if you have it. You can use stickers, or you can write it by hand on a piece of paper, then cut it, and then you can tape it on your box. Whenever you are moving, you will find, oh my god, you will find many things that you keep buying every single time, just because you don't remember that you already have them, or maybe you can't find them and you ended up having a lot of them. So I think it's always good to have a box for those things, or simply things that are for like daily use, but that they are small and that you can fit in these type of boxes. So for example, I didn't know that I had so many of these light bulbs, and I'm also always looking for chargers for my phone. I can never find one, and I don't know, they just disappear. I never have battery in my phone, so in my move I found many of them. So I put all of them in just one box, and in my new house I'm gonna be a little bit more relaxed because I know where I have all of them, at least for the first months. I have to be realistic. So guys, another tip is that you can have a designated area in the house for the boxes, and every time you find one thing, you can put them in the boxes they go. And I promise you, this is a very stress-free kind of idea, and it works a lot, so I really like it. I have the same problem with the cables, and I already have a storage bin for them. But another tip is that probably you're going to find a lot of them, and you need to remember what they are for. So I'm going to be using just a piece of tape. I'm going to turn the cables, and then I'm going to tie them with tape, and you can leave like a piece of tape with a space to write what each cable belongs to, and that way you're not going to get crazy guessing. You are going to have a lot of boxes in your move, and some of them are going to have a glass inside or things that can break, so you must classify it. Buy a red marker and write the word fragile very, very big, so that you and those who help you move be careful with those boxes. I get this red marker at Dollar Tree and it works perfect. Okay, I found these heavy-duty storage bags in Dollar Tree, and I think they are new. I don't know, I have never seen them before, and it only brings 3, but they are huge, guys. I really like them. I think they are perfect for storing and organizing many things in your daily life, but also for a move. You can use them to store the food that you have in your pantry, your snacks, your cans, and also the things in the fridge. It also is perfect for put your clothes inside and even your kids' toys. The bags are super strong and resistant, and you can reuse them later. As I said, I think they are new in Dollar Tree, but I'm not sure. So let me know please in the comments if you have seen them before. I think it's always good to identify each of the boxes in the place they have to go. For example, like in the kitchen, maybe in the bathroom, and you can use sticky notes in different colors. You can use stickers. You maybe can use tape in different colors too, or you can write it by hand. I decided to do something a little bit different and use these paper cutouts that I found in Dollar Tree, and each one of them will mean a different area where that box has to go. But first I need to draw all of these figures in a piece of paper. Then I'm going to add colors, the ones that the paper cutouts have already, and then I decide where each of the drawing figures are going to go. Like in the bathroom, master room, garage, living room, the flowers means the craft room, the heart means kitchen, and the stars the kids room. It's so fun to add these to the boxes, and my kids can help too, and it's going to help a lot when you move, and the people that are going to help you move, this can help them too to figure out where the boxes needs to go. When you are packing things in your boxes and closing them with tape, among so many moving boxes that you will have, you will not remember what each box has inside. So it is good to also write what exactly is inside that box. For example, inside this box, I put all the candle holders, and then I put a piece of paper that said so. So it will be much easier than guessing what is inside the box, and then you can place the paper cutout of where I want it to be located, which in this case will be in the craft room, because that is what the flower paper cutout means. I did the same with all the boxes that I have, and these paper cutouts have 32 inside, so I think I have enough for all the boxes to be classified of where I want them to be. I love this next idea so much, and it is super cheap to do. Is to use these plastic garbage bags. These bring 8, and I got them at Dollar Tree, and what I love about them is that they have a fresh scent that will make your clothes smell amazing. And in addition, it has some strips on the top of the bag, and this is going to help tie the bags. So make sure that the ones that you buy has these strips on top. And what you have to do is to divide your clothes on hangers in groups of 10, and then you can place them inside of the bags. The strips of the bag will help you tie a knot to the hangers, and that way it will keep the hangers together and the bag in place. I did this with all of my clothes and my kids' clothes, and I know that in the new house I just have to hang the hangers in the closet and then remove the bags, and then of course I can reuse them. The next tip will be to reuse boxes. Don't waste the boxes you already have. If you know that you are going to move, go ahead saving and collecting all of the boxes that you can, the ones from the things that you buy online at Amazon, at Walmart, Target, I don't know, you name it. I have boxes from wipes from Walmart, and I have been collecting them for a long time so that by the time I move, I already have some boxes and I don't have to spend additional money buying new boxes. A box is a box, and they all have the same function. At the end, you are going to reuse or recycle these boxes, so don't waste your money in new boxes. Have you seen these mesh laundry bags in Dollar Tree? I have bought them for a long time because I like them a lot and they last a long time. In this case, they are perfect for a move for things that are big. For example, the pillows that I have many decorative pillows, and placing them in a box is really going to take up too much space because there is no way that they can fit so many in a box. So using these mesh laundry bags, I can place about like 10 pillows inside the bag, and it is extremely strong. It will not break, and then I will use it in the laundry or whatever I want. So all my pillows are placed in these kind of bags for my move, and I love these. When you're moving, basically you are going to have a chaos of boxes and things, and you have to try to be as organized as possible. So I recommend having at least 3 boxes where you can decide on things you want to throw away, some of them sell, and other ones to donate. I'm going to be using these storage bins from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to classify them, but this is just an example to give you the idea. The reality is that I am using larger bins to place things because I have so many things at home right now. So you have to have a space in your house where you have these storage bins and you can throw things, and this this will help you to be more organized, and it's going to make the process a little bit easier. The last couple days that you have left for your move, you will have to have almost everything packed, including your clothes. But obviously you will need to wear daily clothes these last days. So what I'm doing is that I'm putting all of the clothes that I know that I'm going to be using. I'm placing all of the clothes and dividing them and classifying them according to the days. I did it for myself and for my whole family, and I already select the clothes, and I'm going to be placing them in these Dollar Tree storage bags that I get for each of us, with the days that those specific clothes should be worn. What I did was to place a piece of tape with the name and the day to which it belongs, that package. These are going to make my life a lot easier these last days of so much stress. And another thing that I like to do is to select just one unpacked pair of shoes and make sure that all of the clothes I select match with those shoes. Like I said, this is what I am doing for these last couple days that I have to the move, and I'm so happy with this idea, and I know that I can reuse these storage bags later. You have already seen a lot of the materials that I am using to help make my move a little bit easier. But I need a place to put all of my things. So I am using one of these same Dollar Tree storage bins, and I'm placing all of the materials that I need, such as paper, bags, paper cutouts, the markers, scissors, and of course tape. And every time I have to move from one room to another one, I just have to take my box and pack everything. This makes me feel so much calmer and more organized at the same time. Okay, my loves, and we finally reached moving day, and at the same time a little crazy because you're going to have too many boxes and you are going to need things that first day in your new house, essential products. So instead of looking throughout all of your boxes trying to get those things you need, you can use only one of these cleared storage bins or a box to keep the essential products of that first date inside. You can make like a giant label and you can stick that with tape in your box. Then inside I'm just going to be putting the things that I need for that day, like food, water, just for my kids, some snacks and chips. I will also be placing some of these foam plates, cups, plastic spoons, paper rolls, also cleaning products, wipes, and also an excellent idea is that you can put things for your kids. You can place maybe like coloring books and also like bubbles, toys for the kids so they can entertain themselves. This is the last box that I'm going to pack because it will be the first that I am going to take out once I get to my new home. My loves, I really hope that you like and enjoy this video and that you can get some ideas and moving hacks. And if you like it, please a big thumbs up. That really helps to support my channel, and let me know in the comments which of these ideas is your favorite, and maybe if you moved before, which of these ideas you used to your move. Let me know that in the comments, and make sure that you are subscribed, that you hit the bell, and that you share this video with friends and family. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages. All the links are in the description box of this video, and see you on my next one. Mwah. Bye guys!